It's a Hellcat 525 pump. You're gonna need this to push all 525 out of this pump. Now let's see what's inside the relay kit. It's just a relay kit, guys. All right, guys, it is time. Just like that. Now, what you want to do is just kind of move this a little bit over. I didn't have this on my Q50. All right, this was my first time battling this. All I did was I put this underneath like so and pushed on it until it just came off. All right, guys, make sure you get this serial number relay kit. And I showed you guys the wire before. So on the red, we're putting on a 12 gauge for the battery. Why is it blurry? Fuck. All right, on the red wire, all we're doing is we're putting this so it connects to the battery. Also, we personally did quick disconnects. So if I ever need to go back to OEM for some odd reason, I can. So yeah, this is what we did. We put electrical tape all around, and now we're ready to go to the car and get it installed. All right, guys, we're gonna remove this piece. We're gonna be undoing this little piece right here. I don't know where the plastic piece went. This thing will be right here. Just gonna use tweezers, squeeze on it. It'll come out. Guys, this was the easiest thing to do. All you're doing, you're just, these tabs right here on both ends, you're just pushing this towards you, and that's it, and it'll just come right out. And we are testing with the copper wire. That's where we're gonna put the red cable. We're gonna pull it through that little hole, and that is it. So this is where I'm gonna be leaving the cable. Now getting to the copper right there. All we're doing is we're just attaching this together and pulling it right through. Guys, and that is it. Home touch, home base, I don't know. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to keep you on the loop. Disconnect the negative battery just in case. And we have this red cable ready to go in the positive. Now back to here. All you're gonna do is you're just gonna lift this up. We're gonna lift it a little bit here so we can just run this red wire to the back, okay?
Come on.
All right, all I did was I ran it. I just literally pushed it with my fingers right through here. And now we're just gonna be right all the way through across. And now we're gonna be just running it all the way across. You guys already know how to do this. Guys, this is what we got going on. Again, I just moved it and then I just pushed it again throughout. It's going, and I pushed it with my fingers all the way across right here, up here. So now all we have left to do is just get to here with the wiring.
My tools, okay. Let me get me razor. Just nice and carefully make an incision here.
Make sure you don't cut your OEM wires.
No, extra points if you do.
All right, guys, the most sketchiest part of this install ever. Cutting a factory wire, guys. What the
Oh, sick.
Let's do it. Put it back. Put it back. All right, guys. So we cut the wire. The only green wire that there is there. And the yellow wire from the relay kit is going to go to this side right here. That's going to be towards the pump. And the blue wire is going to go up to the harness side. We're doing quick disconnects, like I said. So we put the females on, then we're gonna put the males on these, or female, male, whatever. And like I mentioned, if we ever need to connect them back together, we can and take off the relay kit. But I don't think we're gonna need to, but just in case. All right, but before we do any of that, we're gonna strip these wires a little bit so we can put the quick disconnects on them. All right, guys, one of them is done. I'm gonna put a quick disconnect on it. All right, guys, quick disconnect is on.
Well, not yet, but...
Well, almost on. But you know what I mean. We're doing the same thing that we did with the relay kit.
Yeah.
You got this, dude. All right, guys. We made that one male and this one a female. So if they need to connect, we'll take off the relay kit, like I mentioned.
Get another piece of tape.
This is what it looks like with our quick disconnects. Now we're gonna be plugging them in, and now we're just gonna ground, and that's it. We're gonna ground the black cable to here for now. We didn't sand it down, we don't have any sandpaper, but this is just a quick test. We'll make it pretty later. First thing, like I said, Blue cable is going to the harness side. Just plug it in just like that. And then the yellow cable is gonna go towards the pump side. All right, guys, I'm gonna be plugging it in. All right, guys, I'm on the truth.
Нихуя себе! Кричалка, блядь.
Oh my
Bro, it sounds significantly louder.
All right, guys, this was it. The fuel pump is in, the relay kit is in. All I did was make a hole, run the red cable throughout the whole car, put it behind the seatbelt, all the way up. And I ran the negative out and just right there. Didn't shave anything, don't need to. That is it, guys. That is it.